blessings. Thou great Three One, author of all blessings I enjoy, of all I hope for, thou hast taught me that neither the experience of present evils, nor the remembrances of former sins, nor the remonstrances of friends will or can affect a sinner's heart, except thou vouchsafe to reveal thy grace and quicken the dead in sin by the effectual working of thy Spirit's power. Thou hast shown me that the sensible effusions of divine love in the soul are superior to and distinct from bodily health, and that oft-times spiritual comforts are at their highest when physical well-being is at its lowest. Thou hast given me the ordinance of song as a means of grace, for me to hear my part in that music ever new, which elect angels and saints made perfect now sing before thy throne and before the Lamb. I bless thee for tempering every distress with joy. Too much of the former might weigh me down, too much of the latter might puff me up. Thou art wise to give me a taste of both. I love thee for giving me clusters of grapes in the wilderness and drops of heavenly wine that set me longing to have my fill. Apart from thee, I quickly die. Bereft of thee, I starve. Far from thee, I thirst and droop. But thou art all I need. Let me continually grasp the promise, I will never leave thee nor forsake thee.